What is the ICRC, an international humanitarian law? Imagine a world where, even in the chaos of war, there is a voice dedicated to protecting those caught in the crossfire. That's where the International Committee of the Red Cross, or ICRC, steps in. This organization is a neutral and independent body that plays a key role in international humanitarian law. It was the ICRC that started the first Geneva Convention back in 1864, which laid the groundwork for modern rules on how wars should be fought and how civilians and soldiers are treated. These early efforts aimed to limit the suffering caused by armed conflicts and set standards for humane treatment. Over time, the ICRC became the main guardian of these laws, helping to shape the legal framework that governs the conduct of war. Its work is based on the Geneva Conventions of 1949 and their additional protocols, which are international treaties that many countries have agreed to follow. The ICRC's main tasks include making sure that parties in conflicts respect the rules, helping victims such as wounded soldiers and civilians, and visiting prisoners of war to check on their treatment. It also works to encourage countries to include these laws in their own legal systems. The ICRC maintains confidential talks with governments and groups involved in conflicts to promote respect for the laws and prevent violations. It has special rights under the Geneva Conventions that allow it to access prisoners and civilians, giving it a unique role in monitoring conditions and providing aid. During conflicts, the ICRC acts as a neutral intermediary, helping to protect those who cannot fight anymore due to injury or capture. Its goal is to reduce human suffering and uphold human dignity, even in the most difficult situations. The organization's work has grown from the original Geneva Convention to include conflicts within countries and other forms of violence. This historical development shows how the ICRC has been central to the evolution of international humanitarian law. It continues to adapt and promote legal protections, ensuring that the rules of war are respected and that those affected are cared for.